We have learned this unit 2, a gift of chappal. A gift of chappal. How the story started and how it's getting more exciting and more interesting. This all we have learned. Now the conclusion is left, and today we are going to finish this lesson. We are going to complete this lesson today. But before completing the story, we will do some recap. What happens before in the story? We have seen the Mridu, and she was living with her grandparents. She was living with her grandparents. One day, her grandmother take her to her aunt's house, and there were her cousins Ravi, Veena, Lalli. These are the three cousins of Mridu. So Mridu went to their house, and all the cousins were very excited after watching her. Then the Ravi and Veena, they told everything, they shared everything with Mridu, that they have a little kitty at the garden area of the house, and the kitty name was Mahendram, and no one has known about the kitty, because if everyone knows that they are having kitty at their home, so their parents and grandparents will scold on them. So they didn't share this thing, they didn't share this secret with their parents and with their grandparents, but they just share this secret with Mridu, because Mridu they are friends and cousin also. Then why Ravi put the kitty's name Mahendram? These all things he explained very nicely. The history of the Mahendram name he told to Meena and Mridu. Then what happened there? One beggar was there. Suddenly the beggar came and he yelled, Amma, Amma. Then everyone of the house, all the members of the house asked that beggar to go away from there. Since last week the beggar used to come here only for the taking the bait. But everyone wants that this beggar is very irritating, and every day the beggar comes here. So they just want that beggar should be go from here, and now it's time he should find another house for taking some food or for taking some help. Now, but the beggar was not, the beggar didn't want to go from there, because the hot sun was there and he was not having the slipper on his foot, and the blister were there on his feet. The blister were there on his skin. So he was just little frightened. He was afraid of the hot sun, whether if he went outside, if he go outside, then his feet will be burned, totally burned. So just with eye feeling, he was saying, I will go, but let me rest for a minute. Let me rest for a minute, because outside there is a hot sun and I cannot walk in this hot sun without slipper, without chappal. So the Mridu, Ravi and Meena, they all think that the beggar is little sad. The beggar is little sad, and even he has not having the money to buy a slipper. He has not having money to buy a slipper. So we should help beggar. We should help beggar. We should give some slipper to the beggar, so the beggar will go away from here. So they all three cousins decided to help them. They started searching the any extra pair of the slipper. They started searching extra pair of the slipper from the house. Then suddenly they got one big slipper which will be fit to the beggar's feet. And whose slipper it was? It was music master slipper. It was music master slippers which Mridu already noticed when she entered to the house. So Ravi took that slipper and they gave that slipper to the beggar, and beggar very happily wore that slipper, and he blessed the kids and he went away from there. Now what happened? Which twist was there now? Now the music master came out from the room, after teaching to the Lalli, and he was looking here and there, and he was searching his slipper where he kept. So the slipper was not there because Ravi, Bridu and Meena, they gave that slipper to the beggar. They gave that slipper to the beggar. So the slipper were not there, and whose slipper it was? It was the music master's slipper. So the music master was very worried about the slipper, and he was just shouting here and there, "Where is my slipper? Where is my slipper?" So he called to Lalli also, that if I forgot to put my slipper anywhere, maybe Lalli remember where I kept my slipper. Now what happened next? We'll see now. Ravi, Bridu and Meena silently watched Lalli and music master search every corner of the veranda. That means Ravi, Bridu and Meena silently were sitting under the tree, and they were silently looking at that Lalli and music master were finding the slipper. He scurried around, looking over the railing and crouching near the flower pot to between them. That means the music master finding his slipper at each and every corner of the veranda. Brand new they were. I went all the way to Mount Road to buy them. Now what music master is saying? That slipper was brand new. That slipper was brand new. How it was, we know it really. How it was looking, the footprint were there, and it was little very old. But the music master is saying here, it was the brand new slipper, and I bought that slipper from the Mount Road. He went to buy that slipper at the Mount Road. He went on saying, the cost of whole month fees, do you know? Now what music master say? It is very costly. That slipper is very expensive. It is the money of my whole month salary. It is the money of my whole month fees, whole month salary. It was the brand new slipper, and I bought that slipper from the Mount Road. Soon Lalli went into her mother. Rukkumani appeared, looking harassed with the Pati following her. Now Lalli was also searching the slipper. Where is the music master's slipper? Now suddenly she went to the Rukkumani's. She went to her mother, and then Rukkumani came with Pati also. Pati and Rukkumani, they both came when the Lalli called out them. Where could they be? It's really quite upsetting to think someone might have stolen them. So many vendors come to the door, worried Pati. Now Pati was saying, the Ravi and Meena's grandmother Pati was saying that someone has stolen this. Someone has stolen this. किसी ने तो भी स्लीपर चुराई है. Someone has stolen this, because so many vendors come to the door. Because so many vendors, that means vegetable seller or any seller, some bakers, many vendors come to the door. Maybe someone has stolen that slipper. Who has stolen this all? Pati is telling. Rukkumani caught sight of Ravi, Bridu and Meena sitting under the tree. "Hello children," she began, and then, seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly. "Seen anyone lurking around the veranda?" Now suddenly Rukkumani saw at the children. Rukkumani saw at the children where the Ravi, Bridu and Meena were sitting under the tree, and they were playing the marbles. Suddenly Rukkumani looked at them. She looked at them and she asked them, "Children, have you gave that slipper to anyone?" So she has a little doubt that their children has done something with the slipper. So she has a doubt on the children, on Ravi, Meena and Bridu. So she just asked, "Have you children? आपने कुछ किया है? Have you children?" She began, and they, seeing they were curiously quiet. They all were, because they already gone that they already gave that slipper to the beggars. So they were little quiet, they little afraid that everyone will now everyone will scold us. So they all the children were quietly sitting under the tree. But Rukumani had a doubt on them. So went on more slowly. See anyone lurking around the veranda now? What he is saying now, Rukumani is saying to the children, is anyone there who was waiting for the veranda? A sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrows. A V-shaped line were there. That means the Rukumani was very angry because the music master's slipper was not eating. So she was little angry and she was scolding on the children. She was scolding on Ravi, Meena and Bridu. That means the children has done something with the slipper. So with angry face, the V-shaped mark were there between the eyebrows on Rukumani's forehead. Another straight, tighter one appeared in its place of usually soft, pleasant mouth. That means she was little angry. Rukumani was little angry. Rukumani was angry though Bridu with a shiver. That means Bridu was frightened because the Rukumani and Pati, they both were very angry and they were asking for the slipper to the children. So Bridu was little shivering. She was little frightened. She wouldn't be so upset if she knew about the poor beggar with sores on his feet. She tried to tell herself. Now Bridu is saying herself, she was talking with herself, Bridu was talking with herself. If I tell about the beggar, that beggar was very poor and he was not having the slipper and the blister were there on his feet. So the Bridu is saying it should be, if I tell this everything about beggar to the Rukumani, maybe she will not that much upset. So I should tell this everything to the Rukumani. Who decided this? Bridu decided. Now everyone is angry on us. I think I should tell the beggar story that we have given that slipper to the beggar because he had a blister on his foot and the hot sun was outside there. So the Bridu decided, I think I should tell all the story to the Rukumani. So taking a deep breath, she cried. Now she take a deep breath and she cried, Rukumani, there was a beggar here. Poor thing, he had such a boy on his feet. Now what Bridu decided, I should tell this beggar story to the Rukumani. Now she took a deep breath and she told the Rukumani that there was one beggar and he had a blister on his foot. This everything she told to the Rukumani. Bridu told this story to the Rukumani. So said Rukumani grimly, turning to Ravi, you gave the music master chappals to that old beggar who turned up here. Now after listening the story of beggar, Rukumani looked at the Ravi. Rukumani looked at the Ravi and she asked Ravi, have you gave that chappal? Have you given the chappal, music master chappal to the beggar? आपने म्यूजिक मास्टर की चप्पल बेगर को दे दी? She asked, her mother asked to the Ravi. His mother asked to the Ravi. Children this day groaned Pati with very angry expression, groaned with expression with pain. So the children this day groaned Pati. Amma, didn't you tell me about Karan who gave away everything he had, even his gold earring? He was so kind and generous. Now children these days grown Pati. Now children is saying the children are very much naughty. The children are very much naughty. So the Ravi is saying to the Amma, Ravi is saying to the Pati, didn't you tell me about the Karna who gave away everything he had, even his gold earring? He was so kind and generous. That means now Ravi say we have given the chappal, music master chappal, to the beggar because he need that chappal and he had a blister on his feet. That's why we have given that chappal to the music master. Now the Pati is also scolding Ravi. So Ravi say to the Pati, to Amma, that Amma, you also told me the story of Karna. You also told me the story of Karna, who has given everything to the poor, who has given everything to the poor. Even he has given his gold earring to the others. So that means the Karna was very kind and generous. Then we also help the beggar. We also help the beggar. We also given the slipper to the beggars because we need it. That's why we have given this. And you also told us the story of Karna, which was very helpful, who was very kind and generous. Now what Amma said? Silly, snapped Rukumani. Karna didn't give away others people's thing. He only gave away his own. Now Rukumani said, stop it. Rukumani is saying to Ravi, it's not like that. Karna only gave his own things to the people who were. That means first Ravi is saying to Amma that Amma, you have told us the story of Karna, who was very kind and generous and good behavior. So you only told that Karna gave everything to the poor, even he has given the gold earrings to the poor. Now you are scolding on us because we helped the beggar. So the Rukumani is saying here, Karna only gave his own things to the poor. Karna is given only his own things to the poor. He has not given the other things. He has not given the other things to them. So the Rukumani said the Karna only gave his own things. He has not given others things to the poor. And the Ravi has given the music master slippers to that beggar. But my chappals wouldn't have fitted the beggar's feet. Ravi rushed rashly on. And Amma, if they did fit, would you really not have minded? Now Ravi is saying here, my feet is smaller than the beggar's feet. That's why my chappal was not fitting to his feet. That's why we have given the perfect size of the chappal to the beggar, and that perfect size of chappal was music master chappal, because Mridu's feet, Meena's feet and Ravi's feet were smaller than the beggar's feet. And if my slipper would be fit to the music master feet, would you really not have minded? अगर मैं अपनी चप्पल बेगर को दे देता तो आपको सच में कुछ नहीं बुरा लगता? Ravi said Rukumani and angry now. Go inside this minute. Now Rukumani said, Ravi, go inside in the house. You go inside the house. Now what happened here? Ravi asked that you told us the story about Karna, how to be kind, how to be helpful with others. Now you only told the story of Karna, who has given his everything to the poor. Even he has given the old earrings to the poor. Now you are scolding us because we just helped the beggar. Now the Rukumani said Karna gave everything, but he just gave his own thing. He has not given the others thing to the poor, but you have given the music master chappal to the beggar. This is not done. So Amma also scolded on Ravi, and Rukumani also scolded Ravi. So Ravi said, because my slipper was not fit to the beggar's feet. My slipper was not fit to the beggar's feet, and the Mridu and Meena's feet was also smaller than beggar's feet. That's why we have given the music master chappal to the beggar. Now Rukumani also angry, and she asked Ravi, you go inside. You go inside. She hurried indoors and bought out Gopu Mama's hardly wore new chappals. Now she went hurriedly inside, and she bought a Gopu Mama's chappal. She bought Gopu Mama's hardly new chappals. That means there was also new slipper was available, and that slipper was Gopu Mama slipper, and it was new slipper. It was new slipper. So Rukmani went inside hurriedly and she bought the Gopu Mama's new chappal. This should fit you, sir. Please put this on. I'm so sorry. My son has been very naughty. The music master eyes lit up. He put them on, trying not to look too happy. Now, what Rukmani did? Rukmani bought Gopu Mama's chappal, and she has given that chappal to the music master. And the Gopu's Mama chappal was new brand. It was a new chappal, and she has given that chappal to the music master, and she asked music master, please let us forgive, please sorry, and because my children are very naughty. They are very naughty and they have given you a slipper to the beggars, but now I am giving you this new slipper. You please wear this slipper. And she said sorry to the music master. He put them on and tried not to look happy. Now music master wore that slipper. He wore that slipper and he was just pretending that he is not happy with this new slipper. Music master just looking, and he just tried to look that he was not happy with this new slipper, but he wore that slipper. Well, I suppose this will. Now what music master is saying next? Well, I suppose this will have to do. These days children have no respect for the elders. What to do? Now what here music master is saying? The children are not having a respect for the elders. That means these children are that much naughty that they don't respect to the others. They don't respect the elders. What to do? A Hanuman incarnate, only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. Now he is saying, now the music master is saying, these children are very naughty. These children are very naughty. Even they don't respect their elders. Only God Rama can save such a naughty fellow. Only God Rama save such a naughty fellow. भगवान ही ऐसे बच्चों को बचा सकता है. Rukmani's eye flashed. She didn't seem to like Ravi being called a monkey. Means now the music master called this Ravi like a monkey. That means the children behave like a monkey. They don't respect the elders. Only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. These are the naughty like a monkey. But Rukmani didn't like that. Rukmani didn't like that anyone is calling her children monkey. So she got little angry that this music master is calling my son like a monkey. Even a holy monkey, she stood stiff and straight by the front door. It was clear she wanted him to leave quickly. Now she she stood stiff and straight at the front of the door. Now she got angry. Rukmani got angry because the music master was calling Ravi monkey. She was comparing Ravi with the monkey. That means this Ravi is that much naughty as a monkey, and they don't respect to the elders, and the Rama only saves such a naughty fellows. But Rukmani didn't like this, that music master is calling her son monkey. So she got angry and she just stood in front of the door, and that means she was asking the music master he should leave immediately from here, because he was music master was calling monkey to the Ravi, and she didn't like that. So she stood in front of the door straightly, and that was clear that Rukmani asking the music master he should leave immediately from here. When he had clattered When he had clattered off in his new chappal, she said, Ritu, come in, have some tiffin. Now, the music master went away from there. He wore the new chappal and he went away from there. Then Rukumani called Ritu inside and she asked her for the tiffin. That means she asked her for the food. Now, honestly, how do you children think of such things? Thank God your Goku Mama doesn't wear his chappal to work. Now she asking Mridu and to the children, Mridu, come and have this tiffin, have this food. And now she is asking the children, how this thing came to your mind that you should help the beggar? आपके दिमाग में कैसा है कि आप वो बेगर को हेल्प करना चाहिए, यू शुड हेल्प द बेगर. Thank God the music master was very angry and you have given the music master chappal to the beggar and the music master was very angry. Thank God the Goku Mama's slipper was here, so I could give that slipper to the music master. Now here the Rukumani is saying, thank God there was the Goku Mama's new slipper, so I can just give that slipper to the beggar. Sorry, to the music master. She walked toward the kitchen with Mridu and Meena and she suddenly began to laugh. Now she was laughing that the children are naughty but they help the beggar. The children are little naughty but they help the beggar. So she was just laughed. She was just laughed. Rukumani laughed. But this always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappal as soon as he comes home. Now what she said? Now I gave the Goku Mama chappal to the music master. Now what? First the children gave the music master chappals to the beggar. Now the Rukumani gave the Goku Mama's slipper to the music master. Now she is little worried. When the Goku Mama came to the house, he has just habitual to throw out the socks and shoes, and she just wear the chappal. So she is saying the Goku Mama always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into the chappal as soon as he comes home. That means when the Goku Mama comes to home, he has in that hurry he just remove his shoes and socks and he just immediately he wear his new slipper when he comes home. Now what's your mama going to say this evening? When I tell him I gave his slipper to the music master. Now Rukumani is saying to the children, now how could I face the Goku Mama if I tell him that I had given the slipper to the music master? How he react on that? Now because he had the habitual of when he comes to the house, as soon as he enter in the house, he immediately remove his socks and shoes and he get in the slipper. He wear his slipper. But now I have given this slipper to the music master. Now how could I face the Goku Mama when he asked me for the slipper? When he asked me for the slipper, how could I face him? She is telling this everything to the Mridu, Meena and Ravi. I tell him I gave his slipper to the music master. Question mark is there. Now she is just worried about how could I face the Goku Mama if he asked me for the slipper and I have given that slipper to the music master, and now how he will react. How he will react, because when he comes to house he just remove his shoes and socks and he wear his slipper, but his slipper is not here because I have given that slipper to the music master. Now how could I face the Goku Mama? Now this story is ends here. What we have seen, Ravi, Meena and Ritu, they helped the beggars. But what they gave the music master slipper to the beggars. Now some situation were created very angry there. So the Rukumani and Pati, they both scold the children. So now the music master was very worried about his slipper. So Rukumani gave Gopu Mama's slipper to the music master, and music master asked, the children are very naughty, they are like a monkey, only Rama can help them, only Rama can save them, they don't respect the elders. But Rukumani didn't like that someone is calling their children monkey. So she asked that music master to leave from there. But she asked the children, then how could you plan to give music master slipper to the beggar? Now Gopu Mama slipper I have given, but Gopu Mama is habitual. Whenever he came to the house, he just remove his socks and shoes and he wear the slipper. But now I have given his slipper to the music master. Now how could I face him? How he react when I tell this everything to the Gopu Mama? Now the story is ending here. Now your homework is that you just note down. In the previous video also we have taken the new words, that all new words you have to write on one fresh page and learn that all the new words, with its meaning. So today's new word is this. So you write down these new words in your notebook, and the previous new words and these new words you have to learn with the meaning. Please write down this. Now this lesson we have completed. Now what you have to do, you have to read the lesson and you have to learn the new words from this lesson. We'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.